Hi, I'm Klein Hall. I own Klein Hall Agency in Greenville, North Carolina. We're an independent insurance agency. We're going to be talking today a little bit about deductibles and how they relate to your homeowner's policy. To get things started, I'm going to let you know we're talking about North Carolina. Some things may not apply to your state. This specifically applies to North Carolina. Back to deductibles. I suggest to all my clients that they get as high a deductible as they can possibly afford. Let me give you the definition of what a deductible is, though. It is the amount of the loss that you participate in. What that means is, if you have a $10,000 loss, say your house burns, it costs $10,000 to repair it, you're going to pay $500 of it. The insurance company's going to pay $9,500 of it for the total of $10,000. That's if you have a $500 deductible. Now let's look at the difference in deductibles. The higher the deductible, the less your premium is. Let's look at it this way. If you have a $500 deductible, your policy might cost $1,000. Now these are just round ballpark numbers. If you go to $1,000 deductibles, there's going to be a pretty good savings. Let's guess around $800. That means you save $200 a year on your insurance premium. Now on the flip side, if you have a claim, it's going to cost you $500 more. But hopefully you won't have a claim every year. So if you go, let's say 4 years without a claim, you've saved $800. So that's $300 savings even if you do have a claim. So I suggest you go to a higher deductible. Deductibles, premiums in North Carolina are going up, especially in East North Carolina, due to the hurricanes. So I'm suggesting even to my customers to take a $2,500 deductible, that saves a lot of money. One other thing going on in Eastern North Carolina's deductibles, and when I say Eastern North Carolina, I mean east of I-95. Some things are going on are wind and hail deductibles. That's a separate deductible for your wind and hail coverage. You won't ever see hurricane or tornado listed on your insurance policy. Those are wind and hail. That's what covers hurricane losses. A lot of companies are going to wind and hail deductibles. You'll see it listed as a wind and hail deductible of like 1% or 2% or even 5%. What that means is percentage of the dwelling value. So if you have a $200,000 house and you have a wind claim, say a tornado hits it, if you have a 1% deductible, that's a $2,000 deductible. If you have a 2%, that's a $4,000 deductible. 5% will be a $10,000 deductible. Now, your other deductible still applies to anything else. That's called all other perils. You'll see it listed as AOP, all other perils. So if you have a fire, you have a $1,000 deductible, you just have the $1,000 deductible. So, if you haven't reviewed your insurance policy in North Carolina recently and you'd like to know if you're getting the correct coverage, give us a call. Klein Hall Agency, 756-5200, or find us on the web at kleinhallagency.com.